Let's look at the advantages of amalgam. It is used in posterior and teeth, in premolars and molars. They are very durable and long lasting. They have excellent wear resistance. Due to its strength, they can fill large cavities within the teeth. It is the least expensive filling material, so it can be a relief to patients on budget. It hardens quickly. It is completed in one visit, so it means it is one visit technique. So it is less stressful to patients such as kids and special needs, patients with special needs. So they are not time consuming.